Hello, my creative friends. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA Classes. In this video, we're going to learn to draw an aardvark. With our pencil, we're going to start with a rainbow shape for the head. Do a little slide down and give it a snout. And then a big smile back. It's almost like a pear shape. So it's a circle almost with a letter U coming off the front. We're going to give it some ears. So we're going to go into this opening and add the ear. The ears are slightly pointy, kind of like a leaf shape. This one we're seeing the back side, but on this one we're seeing the inside. So we want to add that Y shape that shows the curve of its ear. This ear continues and goes across, creating the nose and the hardened part of the aardvark's snout. Give it some lines. A little nostril, mouth, and an eye. You could do an eyebrow or an eyelash on here if you wanted. You can even just add a little curve. Now the body is just a big curve that comes around. They just have nice round bodies, kind of like those roly-poly bugs. Before we add the parts of the body, we want to add the little arm. And then the leg with the foot. Now we can add the first layer of the body, curve back for the tail, continue on the other side of the foot to the arm. This is the shell, and then we'll add the belly. Just kind of connects there. We're going to add the back foot and the little arm on the other side. Then you're ready to add that shell and the stripes. And that's your critter. If you're happy with your drawing and you want to just skip on to the coloring it in and making it fun, go for it. If not, head on over to part 2 of this video and follow along again.